Well, welcome back to Doggone RV'N, exploring the West. And well, I'm out here, back in my RV, kind of working on stuff still, putting things in and out, testing them out. Just continually going over how I pack this place and the accessibility to get to what I pack, you know. So anyway, this short little video is about what our channel is all about. I'd like to think my channel here is for adventurers, dog lovers, and RVers, because these next few years of my retirement life, we are going to be traveling all over the Southwest. Be going through many states over and over again, but to very different locations, and some maybe back to some of favorites. So I have a lot of plans, a lot of places I want to see, kind of check them off my bucket list that I've been watching on TV or other videos, and I want to take you guys along with the girls and I. The goal of my channel here is to both entertain you and inform you about the beauty, the inspiration, the grandeur of the American West and what there is to still see, enjoy, discover, explore, and of course protect from the maddening, insane current society we are living in today. We have to protect what we have from a society that would easily destroy everything and replace it with their own monuments and their own ideologies. So I'm going to keep this channel as politically free as possible. Yeah, I might get weak and drop a few of my own opinions, comments, but hey, I'm sure we all do that, and I'm sure most of us with common sense and a functioning brain all feel the same. So what can you expect from my channel, Doggone RV'N? Well, I hope besides the normal travel videos I'll be putting out of where we're going, what we see, to give you guys some insight and a feel of what it's like to be on the road with two dogs in a small 19-foot, extremely compact Class B RV. I hope I can show you some of these topics. One is life in the desert with dogs. What it's like. What do I do? How do I prepare? Another one is exploring BLM campgrounds that we visit in various states, in various environments. Another one would be campground safety for you, your vehicle, and your pets. Campground safety is not that safe sometimes. Another one is a series of 6 videos that covers my 7 years of continual upgrades to my RV. And I'm not done yet. Next spring, I'll be taking this rig in for one more. Hopefully, if I can afford it, it'll be the ultimate, the last, unless something breaks and I have to fix it. Another one is how we live simple on the road. Minimalistic living, simple living is the best. You don't need all this crap they try to sell you on all the videos and all the RV shows. The simpler you can live, the better life you're going to have on the road. And of course, we'll be covering dangerous flora and fauna that we come across or that exists in the areas we travel through because of the different states, environments, altitudes, and other situations we find ourselves in. Frankly, we're not a channel that's going to show you stuff in our face at some fancy schmancy restaurant. We might go to a few unique restaurants and show you what the interior is, what it's like, and maybe what the food looks like we ordered. But we're not going to show you stuff in our face like some Neanderthal. That's not our station. There's hundreds of others out there that will show you people, grabbing the food, putting it in their hands, and stuffing it in their face like a 2-year-old. That's not us. On this channel, and from what I've done to this RV over 7 years of upgrades, we prefer boondocking. And that means out, away from society, away from civilization, out in nature to really enjoy what still exists. So we're going to be boondocking a lot. And if not that, we'll be probably camping in national forest campgrounds, BLM lands, and places like that. We don't hang out at truck stops or rest stops or RV parks that are basically priced for families, and it seems to be ridiculous amounts of money to pay for a single solo person to park overnight just to do their laundry when you can go down and do it there. So yeah, that's part of being common sense, you know, as a solo RVer. Well, to put it bluntly, my channel will be following myself and my girls through our travels during our retirement years and our escape from the insane rat race society we live in today. I tell you, the further away you can get from society and civilization today, I truly believe the better off you are. Because where's all the criminals? They're in the towns and cities where it's easy prey everywhere. Out in the open, they've got a few other things to consider, especially people that are willing to defend themselves. As I travel across and throughout the American West with my 2 dogs during these years of my retirement, our goal is to show you what's out there, what still is inspirational to many of us, the natural beauty of the world once you get out of the congestion, the noise, the filth of towns and cities, and the angry people that just seem to sometimes hate their jobs, hate their lives even. Get out of that mess. You know, you don't have to have a $200,000 RV. You can get an old used RV like I did, something you can afford, but isn't a piece of shit, and slowly build it back up to your own needs for your own lifestyle as an RVer. So, if you truly want to find out what there still is left out there in the wide open American West before society and the world changes it forever, because apparently some people don't value anything, then we're the channel to follow. Give us a thumbs up right now. Hit that ding dong bell so you won't miss any of our videos we put out, because once we're on the road, I don't know if we're going to put a video out once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. It all depends on how much we see, how much I feel I can share with you out there, and how much interest my viewers have in what I show them. And I only know that by the views I get on the videos and the feedback. So if you guys want to see more of what I can show you once we're out there, the beauty of the American West, the beautiful canyons, deserts, mountains, then speak up. Let me know. You know, watch the videos over and over. Tell your friends to watch the videos. And of course, feedback. I appreciate feedback. Tell me, what did you think of the video? Did you like how I did my cinematography? Did you like the sound, the lighting, just talk to us. I know that's something weird people don't do anymore with all the computerized stuff. It's like we've gone beyond George Jetson. Nobody talks to humans anymore. You can't even get a human on the phone sometimes. It's insane. So, yeah, that's it. So in closing, I hope you guys will follow us if you're interested in the natural world, ghost towns, mountains, caverns, flora, fauna. If you have any curiosity at all about the world around you, then follow us. We'll show you things. I've spent years going over videos being retired. but everybody else is. I've seen how they do it. And I think I can add something more to what you've already seen on other videos, even if we go to the same place, because these places change. They can change week from week, day from day. In fact, down in Yellowstone, just after we left, that one geyser in that one hotspot area blew up. And I'm thinking, whoa, thank God we weren't there when that happened. But it happened quickly, shortly after we were there. So you never know how long things in the natural world will last, because there's things going on underneath our feet that we have no control over. But that's no reason to be afraid. Just see what there is and enjoy what we have now. So, in closing, the girls and I, as always, wish you happy trails and woof woof. Catch you later and see you down the trail.